have an existing e-commerce website. Okay, I am fetching these all products in a Redux. Okay, and now I want to fetch all these products using TanStack Query. I'm going to show you how you can implement TanStack Query in a React project and fetch data from API. Install the TanStack Query in project. Okay, copy this, come to the command line and paste here. It will install the TanStack Query. Let's run this. After that, let's set up the query client. Copy this in a React project main.tsx. Paste here and query client. Paste provider. Paste. Okay. Now let's create a API.tx API file inside SRC. First, let me show you how I am fetching details from API in Redux. This is the product slice. Here is a all product API. Okay, all product API. This is the data I'm getting from API. So now here is the URL logic. I'm sending category slug. Okay, category means clothes, electronics, furniture, toys. Okay, so logic is like if category slug is available. Okay, category slug means when I click on clothes, I only see the clothes. Okay? When I click on electronics, I see electronics products. Furniture, I will see only furniture products. Okay, and when user click on clothes, I'm sending the cloth string category slug to the API. Okay, so I'm telling like if category slug is available, send the API with category slug. Okay? Otherwise, send the whole API. So if user clicks on clothes, user will see the clothes only. Okay, and if user clicks on all, means there is no category slugs, then user will see the whole API, for data. Okay, that's then I'm using Axios to fetch details from API and sending those API. Let's create a function export const fetch product API category slug. I'm sending category slug. You don't have to write it if you are not sending anything, any argument. It is a TypeScript problem. You can ignore it. Fetch product items. Then I will copy the URL logic. Yeah, import the API. Axios.get URL. Import the Axios. Data. Okay, our API is ready. Now we can access this fetch product API inside the product component. The Redux logic, I am getting this product from Redux, and then product status error. I'm writing logic like product status is loading, show loadings UI. For error, then show the error UI. And then I'm using map on products. So now we can use the React query logic inside our component. So here const data is loading, is error, use query. Query key, we need to provide the unique name for this API. Like products, and I'm sending the argument category slug. and query function. Use this product API, page product API, page product API, and I am sending the category slug. Now we are done. Now let's replace a product from Redux. Use the API and use data from query. So get rid of products and data. At the beginning, data is probably empty. So just add this. Now let's comment this Redux product. Use the data. Product status. I will use the is loading. Product error. I will use the is error. Error. Here write error dot message and data dot length product status. Okay. So now let's see if I'm getting successfully I'm receiving data or not. Yes, I'm receiving data from TanStack Query. So, okay. So now let's commit this our product API.